Good morning, Namaskar. This is Engineer Suraj Singh. I'm discussing activity of curing for buildings. In the beginning, the first item is blinding concrete, second item is foundations or footings or rafts, third item is step columns, then grade slab, then it will be columns, superstructure columns, and after that would be suspended slabs, and that will be continuation further on the higher level. So first item, that is blinding concrete. Blinding concrete means clean concrete. Blinding concrete is placed below the footings on the formation level to make it receivable for the footings. Blinding concrete is not very rich concrete. You can say it's about M15, M20, or in certain cases in the Gulf it's M25. In this country, India, Bharat, we just use something 1510, 148, or like that volume ratio. So you can say M15 is generally used. It can be M10 also in some cases according to specifications. Now let us say after laying the blinding concrete on the formation level and finishing it on the any level so that waterproofing can be applied or concrete protection can be applied. When the concrete starts drying out, sprinkle of water is done on that, and next day heavy dose is poured on that, and curing is continued for about say a minimum of 3 days. There's no need of carrying it for 7 days or 10 days or wait for the work, but 3 days are enough for this, and then we can start the putting activity on that. Footing is a very important item. It is a structural item. Footing is cast, and after casting, immediately either we spray curing compound on the surface, exposed surface, or unformed surface, or after certain hours, we start pouring or spraying water. When we apply curing compound, there is no need immediately applying water on that. Next day, we can apply the water. Reason is, after curing compound spraying, I'm saying use water. So there are two types of curing compounds. One is wax-based and one is water-based. It is better to use water-based compound because water evaporates after that and there is no gelatinous layer formation on the member, on the exposed surface. If you use wax-based, you have to wait for the surface, this membrane, or you have to chip it off in certain cases where plaster is going to apply it. But in foundations, there is no such problem. So we can say curing can be done for about 7 days or up to 10 days or in some cases 14 days depending on what type of cement we have used. In general specifications, it is 7 days, in some it is 8 days and up to 10 days they expect. Or in some cases, 14 days are also given. But I think 8 days, 7 days will give a sufficient of this